got the opportunity. I don't want to hold back. I'm trying to shoot these motherfuckers.
Don't get down!
I don't miss a goddamn thing.
Oh, John fucking Smith out this motherfucker!
I sneaked through the back door. I'm like, now I'm not gonna lie though, it's not sighted in. He feels so John Wick right now.
Yup. I walk around with big shit, bitch, yeah, it's so extended. We got some motherfucking edges up. And they got extensions, baby girl, I fuck with crib. Guarantee my niggas sliding through, blade.
Who gonna hold my glizzy? I need my glizzy held.
It's the way. Rock, baby, shit. Told you, I'm going there. It's the bang. Tell them, calm down. Rock, baby, shit. It's the bang. I'm telling you, calm. Listen to me. That's what bang does. No cap.
The first gun, SIG P320 DH3. Y'all see that? That's the competition gun right there. Now, I'm not gonna lie though, it's not sighted in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shoot it first, so you guys have no excuses, okay? You good, bruh?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Your boy like that.
You said that boy got aim. That boy got aim.
This bitch is nice.
Nice.
I like it.
I mean, what, you only missed one?
Yeah, I only missed one.
You ready? Born ready.
Here we go. I hit that small one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's
alright, bro.
Young boy stands, okay? Talk to me.
Fresh off the body, we got the SIG P320. You feel me? X carry. This the daily EDC. Take a look at that thing, man. Y'all see that thing?
I'm finna.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Go ahead, brother.
Breathe, brother, breathe.
It's a little bit more snappier.
Yeah, hell yeah. More
A little bit more
snappier than the other one.
You would EDC that joint, bro?
No
Yeah.
sight, but
Yeah. That is the SIG P320 X carry. This is the daily carry. But I got something on the way. Let me know if you guys know what this is in the comments below. Stay tuned for this build. Next up, we got my latest pickup, the FNX-45 tactical. Look at that name. Got a little bit more kick now. Nice.
I like
going down range at the bottom.
Smooth.
Real smooth.
Around.
That's big 4.5 right there. Uh-oh, look at the stance though. Hold up.
Keep going for the box.
There you go.
Okay then.
She got a little too much kick for me.
A little too much kick?
Yeah, too much.
What? So I'm gonna see what you say once we throw the suppressor on.
It's between this and Big Bro becoming my favorite.
You could take a look at that round and you could just tell. That FN, she got a little kick to her. You know what I mean?
Wait, where's the fork on that?
Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Wait on it. You're a little too excited. You must have been watching this channel. Like I said though, we got something special. Take your suppressor. FNX-45 with the suppressor.
I don't miss a goddamn thing. No, I might miss something. I ain't gonna lie. This suppression heavy in the motherfucker.
Those subsonics too.
I'm John fucking Smith on this motherfucker.
You trying to hold that smile in, bro?
Hey, I'm gonna let it loose, bro.
Wait,
Is that the new favorite? Oh, oh, he feels so John Wick right now. He like, yeah.
Hey, she ain't a lightweight. She a heavyweight. I mean, added a BBW on this motherfucker and everything, man. But she rolled though. She rolled. I ain't gonna lie. She farted a little bit. It's alright though, man. It's alright.
Yes, sir.
Pressure. I'm not gonna lie. She might be taking my favorite spot out of all my guns. Y'all ready for what I got next though?
Yeah.
Next up, we have my Blue Tiger AR-15. This is my IWI Zion 15. And yeah, man, rip that thing. Let's see who can hit the most.
Jesus. Yep. Okay, shit.
Since y'all boys struggling. That's how you strike with the Blue Tiger.
What you just hit?
You hit this one all the way down there.
With one hand?
Okay.
Fuck.
Okay. Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. All right, so I'm about to let these boys go ahead and go at it on the dueling tree. The baby SIG P320 versus the big boy SIG P320. Let me know who y'all got in the comments, bro. Who y'all got winning this?
Yeah, y'all know I'm the shooter, man.
Oh?
Fucking shooter.
Oh? What you got to say to that?
Whoever lose gotta do 15 push-ups.
15, make it 30. Technically, bro.
I ain't
You
gonna-
had it, bro.
I ain't
You
gonna lie,
sold.
You feel me?
All right, boy, now swap to the FN. Which I think that was. Which I think that was. Did Mike technically win?
I won. I knocked him all over there.
Technically he did.
though.
It got stuck, so technically he did.
I won.
Damn, 30 push-ups, brother.
I need that 30, bro.
You heard him?
I need that 30, bro.
You heard him, bro?
I got you, bro. Let's just finish shooting. I got you. Come on, let's finish shooting.
No. What's going on, bro? Hey, Drew. We need that 30.
Look, you beat him, but it's not gonna be as easy to beat me.
Hey,
and I'm
look.
gonna run you with this.
Pro versus goddamn rookie out this bitch. I'm rookie of the year, nigga.
Oh no, you. Oh, you lost.
Oh,
You lost, bro.
He lost.
Are we still good? I got a win underneath the
I'm
belt.
trying
We
to
good.
with
We
that
good.
thing,
We
boy.
good.
Let
We
me
good.
run you.
We
Come
good.
on.
Let me run you.
You don't want to do that?
Let me run you.
You don't want to do that? And I got a jam. We not going to leave that out. Come on now, bro. This fool think he could beat me.
Damn. God damn.
Done.
That was quick. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even finished shooting. I shot about like 3 shots.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
So you think you guys need to go again?
I think I beat him the first time. And he got me the
One
second
and,
time.
okay, 1-1 now. Get your ass whooped again. It's cool.
I run it back one more time then. Oh, we're gonna need a slow-mo replay, bro. I don't know. Which one was your favorite gun, bro?
P320, man.
That's
the
the
beast,
DH3
bro.
right there.
This baby likes that.
What about you? What joint is your favorite joint, bro?
Sig P320.
The SIG
Look.
P320, the baby boy. So
Yeah.
you got the baby boy and he got the big boy. Y'all see that thing?
Yeah, this zone actually is alright.
That's the EDC right there with the threaded barrel.
If you lose, bro, you got shoot.
If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys share it with somebody that will enjoy it just as much as you. Other than that, guys, 1% better every single day. Peace.
Attention! Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
I was down up at the bottom, now I'm climbing to the top. Guarantee I'm serving junkies. I got rocks up in my sock, and you know the hot pocket right down up in my sock. If a nigga try to run up, his bitch ass is gon' get popped. I been serving all this shit, little bitch, no I can never stop. I just need my money, young bitch, I'm having fun, young boy. You is a dumb. Don't try run up on me. Never been stopping, you should know baller hard. I feel like Kobe.